I got a 2014 Malibu, and it has a code on it that is throwing a code right now, and it is stopping it from being able to auto start. Now I'll show you. So I'll lock the doors, hold down the start, and that's all it'll do. It won't start. So I'm gonna show y'all the code that it's throwing. All right, so P0010, P0011, another P0010, and another P0011. Okay guys, so this video is really just about how when the car throws a trouble code, it will lock out the factory remote start. I take care of this problem in a different video, but now I'm gonna come right back to this after the problem has already been taken care of. Okay guys, so now I need to go in here and clear out the previous codes. I'm gonna go down to erase codes. It says erase trouble codes, are you sure? Yes. All right, so now the erasing is done. Hit any key to continue. So we're gonna start her up. And this car was vibrating pretty badly at idle. All right, so you see at the top it says codes found, 0. No check engine light. And everything is done. All right guys, so now that the code is taken care of, go ahead and give it a start. Now you got your remote start back. So anytime this is throwing any code, any check engine light, it will disable your remote start. If you guys like this video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe.